Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. And today, just now we have seen about the Cypress framework, automation framework from scratch. Okay, our first session is completed. Now next we are we are working with the same Cypress automation framework. We'll continue with the Cypress automation framework designing. So I'm sharing my screen. Guys, before jumping into our topic, this is my channel. Here we are going to discuss more about in this channel. We are going to discuss manual and automation testing concepts, Playwright, Cypress, Selenium, API testing with Postman and REST assured test management DevOps tools. If you find our sessions are interesting and it is useful for you, please subscribe my channel. I have created multiple platforms. You can access our videos from here also. And here, okay, I will jump into our topic. Just now we have created the framework, right? If you want to understand the Cypress framework from basics, how we have installed the Cypress, how we created page objects, how we created the test case file, how we added, how we imported the pages to the test cases, everything is here. So, okay, so you can access my previous videos. Okay, and now one more important thing is right. So users, right? So instead of passing every time username and password to each and every uh, test case, what we can do, right? We can pass the user credentials through fixtures. Okay. Create one file here. Hmm? Credentials. Hmm? Login credentials. File name is login credentials .json file. Okay. This is our file. And here we will create. So JSON in JSON with key and value pair. Also we'll create. Okay, we'll create now. We will create in the form of objects. Okay. First one is valid credentials, right? Just create valid valid user or valid user. Okay, this is fine. Valid user. It's a valid user. It is right. So like this, we can create valid user, invalid user. Okay. Can you see here for this valid user? Username is admin. Admin 123. So invalid user also admin I am giving. Okay, admin 1 I am giving. Admin 1 I am giving. Password give correct only. Admin 1 to 3. But username I changed to admin 1. Okay, these are our credentials. So every time we don't need to pass every time, right? In the test case, and directly we can pass these credentials. No, directly we can pass these credentials to our test case. Okay, how means. So go to our test case. Here, okay, for now we have two test cases, right? Instead of writing, okay, first we'll check for this only. If it works, later we'll implement for both test cases. So I'm running for the first test case only. It's already autosave is enabled, so it will save and it will run. Okay, remove it. Try to hit again here. Close. End-to-end testing. Running on Chrome, right? Chrome. Something. Okay. Some error it is giving in the payload. So this is the duplicate one. Why this one? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Can you see here valid user? Yeah. But still it is giving error, right? Try again. Yeah. Now it is working fine. See, just here in this pictures, we are passing the valid credentials and invalid credentials. The file type is JSON. Okay. So you're going forward, no need to write everything here. Okay. Now under this test case, what we'll do, right? We'll try to get this one cy.fixtures. Can you see here? Fixture. Okay. Just say these are okay, login credentials. Credentials. Okay. Dot. Then I'm going with data arrow function. Okay. Here we will try to okay, directly we can get the username, right? Fixtures, right? So now you need to copy this test case here, paste here. Okay. See here I'm using ChatGPT Copilot. What is the error? It is we will ask what is the error. See some expected things. Syntax error. Okay. Okay. It's just a syntax error. Yeah, here the error is here. Take out it. Okay. See, see, and also when you are working with the GitHub Copilot, it is doing this. See, what is the error? First, it is defining the error. There is a syntax error in your code. The error function, see, where are fixtures here, has an extra closing parenthesis. I forgot to read this one. I'm checking the code. Okay, so you can take the GitHub Copilot help. Now our test case is running, right? We can run before running, right? So what I can do, right? Data is there, right? Go to data, directly pass here. Data dot valid user dot username. Dot username. Okay. Here data dot password. Okay. You can write here like this. So just click on login. See, our test case got passed, right? Even you can do here before that constant users user equal to data dot valid user. You can say data dot valid user. Here, however, we are using valid user, right? So you can directly put user dot username, user dot password, but valid user, yeah, like this you can use user dot. Directly you can use user dot username, user dot password. Like this also you can use. Okay. So you are clear right now how the fixtures are helping our project. Now, now I want to use same for this one also, right? For this test case also. So instead of using this number of test cases, right? What I can do, right? We have one concept. Uh, okay. In Cypress, we have another concept. So we can use before hmm, describe block, right? After describe block, you can use before. So it will run once before executing all the test cases. No? It will run once. It will load all the credentials, right? Uh, Copy here. See, if I want to write again the same fixtures, I need to add here also. Just I am showing you how this is going to work. Okay. Now this data dot same here invalid, it will come invalid username, invalid password, right? invalid. Okay. First test case. So I'm executing second test case. See, both test cases are worked, right? But here our concept is why we need to write every time the fixtures in each and every test case. So globally we can write once, right? For the space completed, it can access, right? So for that is the reason what I am doing, right? So we have one concept called uh, before block and before each block. Before each it will execute, before each and every block. Before block it will run uh, once before the test, only once in the test. Okay, before block. So we will go with the before block. Okay, just provide the arrow function. Okay, here just write cy dot fixture login credentials as login data. Just login data. Yeah, we can write like this also. Login data. So now you can remove this line. You can go with this one. Okay, just comment this one. Okay, now keep this login data, take this login data directly. Here, if you want valid username, you can go with valid username. If you want invalid username, or you can go with invalid username. Okay, can we run now? Okay, login data is not defined. Okay, so this okay, as is used for just for aliasing name, right? So for that to dot use then login data. Hmm. Hmm. Here, constant users equal to login data, just login data. Okay, Hmm. That's it. Now, just you can put data equal to login data. Now, copy this data, provide here. And so, what is the relative given? Okay, yeah, it is also, it's a syntax error. Okay, see here, this is a It's a variable. Okay. Now I'm assigning login data to data dot valid username, data dot valid password, right? Can we check now? Can we rerun it? Okay, data is not defined. It is defined, right? Data is not defined. Okay. I just will define here the data and that data is defined now. And we check. Okay. Yeah. And I can ask a chat GitHub Copilot. What is the error here? So I'm debugging now the code. So this is that you are declaring a new data variable inside the then block. What does not update the outer? Okay, login data. Okay, assign to outer variable. Again, okay. Here we declared let, right? I think, yeah. So already we declared with let, right? And that is the issue. Yeah, it started working. So already we declared with the constant, right? Again, we declared with let. So that is why, so we are failed to identify, but this is the issue. So that is the issue it is telling. Already we declared with let. Yeah. Yeah. So even GitHub Copilot helps us to resolve many things, and it's a very quick resolve debugging. Even it is a minor sometimes, right? When we are writing the code, when we are concentrating on the code, it is difficult to identify. These are the minor mistakes it will happen. But GitHub Copilot chart, right? Whatever the question we are asking, right? So the code I put here and try to debug it, but immediately they give the answer. So it saves more time for us. Even it's a small mistake, as a human, we it will take some time to identify, but a little bit confusion, right? But still, we can go and use the GitHub Copilot, some AI tools on that. So here we are with the combination of AI tools, we are going to achieve things very quick, faster. Yeah. So this is how. So now, if you want to write one more test case, see, I will write one more test case now. This is very simple, right? Our framework. Now, I have created pages for 2 pages, and also now I am deleting this file. Okay. Now we are passing credentials. Okay, we are not hard coding. We are parameterizing. Okay, through fixtures we are sending the credentials. and this is our test case. Okay, now we'll try one more test case here. Orange HRM, right? Okay, for now I will go with the login, logout. If you want to validate, forget your password, okay, or okay, click on forget your password. The page is navigating to reset page, right? Okay, whether this page is successfully navigated or not, we will check. This is also one test case we'll write. Okay, what we'll write? I'm creating one more test case. I'm just copying and pasting. Okay, very high. Forgot password. Password. After clicking, navigate it to and verify. Click on forgot password. Forgot password and verify. User successfully navigated to the user successfully navigated to the forgot password page. Okay, this is our test case. Now it should log into the application. Now these are not required. Hmm? These 4 steps are not required. Now one new thing is what we need to add, right? Go to pages login page. Already we have created 4 elements, right? Now we need to try to get the forgot password link, forgot password element. Paragraph that forgot hidden. Okay, go to login page, add element. Okay, comma. Forgot password link. Password link is a locator name. Okay, this is the locator. This is the locator, and here we need to click on the forgot password link. Right? Click on forgot password link. See, it is giving automatically. So see where I'd get this locators forget password link dot click. Once if it is clicked, it is navigating to this page, right? So this is the reset password page. Create one more page here. Create another pages now. Create one more page. Reset password page. .js file. Okay. Here create class. Reset. Reset. Forgot password. Password page. Okay. Here we don't want all these things. Okay. Here locators. We added right locators. Okay, reset password button. Okay, only this element, right? Just verify reset password header. Verify reset reset password button. Okay, now see where I get this locator. This locator should be visible. That's it. That is fine. Okay. Now here import reset password page, right? From here. Now copy this class. After launching the browser, just login page. Go to login page dot click on forgot password link. Next reset password page. Can you see? Yeah. Our test case is done now. Okay, now this is another test case. We are verifying reset password is visible or not. Can you see? Second test case is running. Yeah, it navigated this page. So here we have created one more page. And we have added the locator and we have created the method. So this is how we can create. And can you see now? Okay, here we are not using login, right? Yeah, here we are not using login. But for login, right, we have added the credentials, right? Either invalid password or password. Or one more test case, the same test case. You need to pass the this one, right? Where credentials, right? Just without what it gives. Okay. Can you see here? Without entering, but I need to enter the username or the password, right? Without entering username or password, this is going to be another one. Okay. Now copy paste same thing, admin 123. Okay. Okay. After login, what you're trying to verify? So click on PIM. PIM. And here you can verify. Okay. You can verify add employee reports or any admin, what and all we get in admin admin or user management, right? So you can verify PIM, PIM text, right? So this one we can verify. Create one more page, PIM page, PIM page, JS file. Yeah. Create class name, PIM page. Okay. Now locators. Okay, PIM header, right? PIM header. What is that header? So this is also with the class h6 is the header, right? h6 dot this one. Okay, one of an element matching, right? Copy this element, paste here, right? This is our another page, PIM page. Now go to login. Just see, it is same, right? See, you are logging with this one, right? And here, copy same test case, login and all everything same. See, launch application, valid username are going with valid password. Now, here in the, see, once if it is reaches dashboard, okay, admin 1 2 3, right? See, here we need to click on the PIM. For this, identify the locator from dashboard page. Okay, click on PIM. PIM, right? Copy this. Span dot. See, this is telling each and everything, right? 1 1 1 1. Okay. See what you can do right here. Okay. From this element, you can create the page method, right? How you can create totally 7 elements are matching, right? Go to pages, dashboard page, dashboard page. Mm, okay. Here, what you can write? Okay. Mm, um, get get click on left bar menu. Okay. Here, what I can give menu name. This method I am writing. Okay. Till here, it is fine. Okay. Click on left bar menu. Okay. The locator, right? Whatever the locator entered. So we need to give the locator right here. Left bar menu. Okay. The locator is this one. Okay. Span out everything. Now go to this locator. cy dot get this dot locators dot left bar menu. Okay. Remove everything. Dot then. So just say menu. Okay. Here in this menu, right? Menu dot text. just say menu dot text. What is that? It should return menu dot text. Okay. Constant get menu text equal to, okay, and this variable it will store. Now you can write the condition if get menu text. So this is the error. Suppose get menu text. Instead of includes, I will give equals to menu name. Okay. So it is giving automatically the else condition. Menu dot, we need to click on this menu. Okay, right? So click on left menu bar. Okay. This is the locator now. Dashboard page, right? So log into the application. No. Click on PIM left bar menu. Okay. Now log into the application where credentials we are logging. Click on login, verify dashboard page. Till here is okay. Now dashboard page, click on left bar menu PIM. Okay. Once if it is clicked, now it should go to the here. Did we reset password page, right? One more is PM page. I should get import PM page. Here PIM page dot. Okay, method I didn't create it. Verify PIM header. Yeah, this is fine. Should contain PIM. Page dot verify PIM header. If PIM header is there, that is fine. Even you can check the URL, right? If it is PIM. Yeah, PIM URL. Can you see? It is automatically suggesting us. Even you can write here. Verify PIM URL. Okay. Even you can add here before header verifying. PM verify PIM URL. Okay. See now these many test cases we have created. Click on PIM menu. So I will run only this test case, test dot only. Okay. Okay. Mhm. Yeah. See the mistake is here we need to pass the argument, right? Yeah, we have passed it, right? Click on left bar menu. PIM. Correct, right? Mm. I can print here, get new text. Yeah, I'm trying to print a menu text. We'll see what it comes. Okay, here it is entering 12 elements, right? And the 12 elements, let me change this. Okay, we will debug now. Okay, debug timeline. What I will do, right? I added the breakpoint npx Cypress run. Okay, go to file, get the path of this file. Hyphen browser equal to Chrome. Hyphen headed. Okay, we are running this query now. Okay. Okay. Copy. So I am using again GitHub Copilot. Okay, let's say this is a file, right? It's my bad. Here, what is the error, right? So here, whenever if it should consider as a test case, right? You need to use spec in Cypress. Okay. Now, can you see here? Still, it is not running. Yeah. Started running. So it again failed. Menu with name PM not found. Okay. If it is quick, the execution dashboard page. CY dot wait for 5 seconds. Okay. I am using hard wait. I will try now. Okay, PM is there, right? Why it is not clicking? Say PIM not found. 12 elements identifying. Okay. So we will use debugger here. So it is run finished. Okay. So right now it is not identifying PIM. Okay. It should go inside PIM and so if it is correct with PIM, right? So otherwise, no, this one we will try later. For now, control/CM locator. Okay, here. this element, click on PIM menu. Okay, click on PIM menu. So menu name. Okay, now menu name is not required directly. So this dot locator dot contains PIM. No, we don't want this one now. Okay, this item, this location are going with index. Okay, okay. Dot contains PIM dot click. That's it. Okay, now this is the method. Click on PIM model. Okay, this is on the dashboard page. We will we'll work on this method later. I will show you. But for now, what I am doing instead of this one, dashboard page, click on PIM menu directly. Just it's a method. Okay. Now try to run the test case now. Yeah. Now it clicked. So it clicked and it navigated there. This URL got passed. Okay. So this is how you can create multiple pages and you can work on multiple pages. Okay. Now we have created dashboard page, login page, PIM page, reset password page. Okay. Even this hardware is not required now. And this part, okay, PIM page. This one I will tell you in next session, guys. And remove this debugger. And so login CY, right? Take out this login. Now it should work. See here also this we are using the login, right? Valid user, valid password. Sometimes it is coming, sometimes it is not coming, right? Okay. See, all the test cases got passed. Here also you can write. Okay. Here you can run npx cypress run spec cypress. Now it will run all the 4 test cases in the command line. See, all the four of 4 test cases got passed, right? 4 test cases got passed. If you find this session is helpful, please subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you.